Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to protect or password protect a PDF file by setting a password on your PDF file. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. And this is very easy, and I'm going to share with you a website. It's absolutely free. You can find it within the description of this video. That will allow you to password protect any PDF file. Now, as you can see here on my computer, I have a bunch of PDF files, as you can see here, and I'm going to do this PDF file as an example, right? So before I do so, let's head over to the website that I'm about to share with you. So open up your browser and you want to simply type in I love PDF, as you can see there. And you can go to ilovepdf.com, or you can just type in I love PDF within Google and you'll find the website at the top. Simple, go to the website. Now, in order to protect the password, you want to click on the all PDF tools, and over on the right hand side you have the security section. So you will see the option that says protect PDF, and from here you want to just select the PDF file. You can do this two ways. You can click this select file button here, or you can drag that file here. So I'm going to simply drag it. So I have the file on the opposite screen, and I'm going to simply drag it here, and it's going to upload that file. Now here you have this next step to add the password, and I'm going to simply do that by typing 1 2 3 4 5, and you want to ensure that you repeat the same 1 2 3 4 5. Now once you go ahead and enter that, you simply need to click on protect PDF file. Now it will take a second and it will download the file for you. Otherwise, if it does not download the file, you can simply download the file here. But as you can see, download for me, and on the end of that file it says underscore protected, so you know that this file is protected. So two ways: allow this few seconds to download, or you can simply download the file. Here in my file explorer I have that new protected file. So if I double click and open up that file here, you will see that it asks for a password. Now I'm gonna go ahead and enter a wrong password. So let me say 1 2 3. If I hit enter, it's gonna say that it's incorrect, or the password is incorrect, or something like that. As you can see, it says incorrect here, right? So it will ask me again to enter the correct password. So I'm going to simply go ahead and type in the correct password now and click on enter. And as you can see, I'm now able to open and access that file. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and add a password to a file. If you want to share a file with someone, you can easily go ahead and protect that file, that PDF file, by adding a password by simply using this website that I share with you. Very easy and very simple, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.